Usimbot Menteri Rang Ba Kejela Ba Preston Den Song Ba Kemi ya ke PWD Roads Ula Bthah ya ki Ophisar Banwat Kilat Kilenti Ban Shna da Kawei Par ke Jingkieng ke Babiang Hapo ka San Lane Ru ki Benai ke Bandai Ru na ki Wei Pat Kilenti Knang Ba ki Trok Kit Mar Khayi Kitla Banwan Bech Shillong ke Ïaid ki Kali na Yam Dam la Asya ya Barok ki Kali Henry Hadin Bala Pelot la Jan Arpo Klo Dengka Ban Penklainya ke Jingkieng ke Sarkar Kelapar King ya ki Kali he banyai na Jingkieng Yam Dam site kabalong katkum ke Ïaid jingmut ki consultant.
One is in fact that the stretch from right from that junction Umroi junction where we have that flyover up to Shillong Civil. This stretch has been handed over to NHIDCL. So as far as the alternate route a bridge is concerned, now we have already instructed NHL to take up and to start surveying and then prepare the DPR. They have just engaged the consultant. So maybe I think immediately, maybe this month or maybe next month, they will start surveying, they will start also preparing the DPR. But in the meantime, because I could understand this bridge, I don't know, NHL, it may take maybe few years to complete this permanent alternate bridge down the stream. So in the meantime, from the department and from PWD, I instructed my chief engineer to work out if there is any temporary arrangement where maybe we can build like a belly bridge or something, at least for the loaded commercial vehicle. I feel pity, I feel bad. Even this, you saw the night supers where, you know, the buses, they have to park beyond the bridge, so they have to be there, and then even the passengers. I mean, it creates a lot of inconveniences. So now I've asked again, in addition to what we have already handed over to NHCL, but now from the state government also, I've instructed Chief Engineer Road to work out the possibility, if we can, maybe if we construct within 5 months, 6 months, if we can get the temporary alternate bridge, we will go ahead with that.